Hey there. So, are you a student trying to do some audio recording for a project that you're working on? Or are you a content creator trying to create a video and need to do some voiceover? And you're kind of tired of using your phone to do the recording and then finding a way to transfer it onto your laptop and get the final job done. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be introducing you to an application that you would thank me for. And the name of the application is Audacity. Now, in this application, you will be able to apply effects, do voice changes, do so many things with this. And I'm going to be starting a series where I take you through several things that you can do on it. But in today's video, I take you through how to get the application. So without much ado, let's jump into the video as I show you. But again, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and share it to your friends and loved ones out there. So I'm going to be taking you to my screen. Let's jump in now. So what we're going to do is we're going to come into Google, and here we're going to type Audacity. Okay, so once we've typed Audacity, not audacity.com, we're just going to type Audacity and then hop into Audacity. Here we can select the first option here. Now inside here there are two ways you can download it. So the first way is by clicking on this download Audacity 3.71, which is going to help you download it, but it's going to download another application which is called Muse Hub. If you click on this, you're going to download this application called Muse Hub. So the Muse Hub looks like this. Over here you can download so many other applications that can work in conjunction with Audacity or other applications. So here I can type Audacity and then I would get Audacity here. So that first option would help you download Audacity using this means. Another way is by clicking on this, which is going to help you download Audacity without the Muse Hub. So if you click on this, you're going to get Audacity downloaded directly. Then you double click it and you can go in there. Now another and the third way to do it is by going into your Windows store, and once you're in the store you should be able to type Audacity here. Okay, once you type Audacity there, you should find Audacity in here, there, and you can download it. A very simple and free application. And until later, I'll see you in the next video with the next tech item, tech device, or tech advice. Don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Peace out.